Hi, my name's Linda Finstad. I'm an artist and an author, and I've had the good fortune of earning a living as an artist for quite a long time now. And I wanted to share with you some of the things that I have found that have worked for me. I wrote a book, and this is what I want to share with you. I wrote a book. It's called 117 and a half Ways to Make a Living, Make Money as an Artist. And I believe that all artists can make money. But you know what? I'm not going to blow smoke up your bum and say I live in a fabulous house, I make 7 figures, I drive a Lamborghini. Actually, I drive a minivan, because who can fit grid wall in a Lamborghini? I just live in a regular house, but I do earn a full-time income from my art. And this book has nothing to do with sales funnels or growing your list. It's a list, 117 and a half ways and they're opportunities. They're real, genuine opportunities that you can take advantage of to actually make money. I don't know about you, if you're an artist. During the pandemic, I did really well online. I was selling stuff online all the time. But since everything opened up again, sales have gone hopeless. So I've reverted back to ways where I don't rely on the internet quite so much. Oh sure, you still do all your marketing, but this book isn't about marketing. This is opportunities. And some of the things that you probably never even thought about, like how to sell your art on cruise ships, or even how to teach arts and crafts on cruise ships. The information's in this little book. Or maybe you want to see your work in art galleries. Well, you know, not all art galleries are built equally. They each have their own objectives, not only for the artists that they choose to represent, but also their objectives. They're not all out there to make money. Some of them have different goals and ambitions and reasons for being. So I describe and explain all the different styles of art galleries. So from your state-run galleries to your for-profit galleries, commercial galleries, or not-for-profit galleries, or even cooperative galleries. So by understanding the difference between all these, now you can figure out where you actually fit. And I also explain how you go about applying, so that you've got more chance of actually getting representation in the right kind of gallery. But anyway, if you're interested in finding out about these opportunities to make money as an artist, pick up this little book. It's probably the best thing you're going to do for yourself. It's not full of hot air and wild promises. There is no get rich quick. It takes work, which is why it's called 117 and a half, because the half refers to any of these opportunities that you only give a half-assed effort to, which is, you know, that's the reality of life. You've got to give it all you got. Anyway, I hope this little book helps you out, and I wish you all the best of luck in making art your full-time gig and earning a good living from it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day.